Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make sadza in the microwave. What you will need is an airtight container with clips such as the one shown in the video, as well as your mealie meal. First things first, you place 2 scoops of your mealie meal into your container. Now add cold water and mix. Now add hot water, making sure you don't fill it up all the way to the top. Mix it really well, close it, make sure it's secure, and place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you mix it well, put it back in the microwave for 5 minutes and a half. At the end, take it out, add more mealie meal like you normally do when you're cooking on the stove. Mix it really well until not too thick, but yeah, as thick as you want it to be. Put it back in the microwave for 2 minutes. Mix it for the last time. And you're ready to serve.